A federal judge threw out several cases of cover-up allegation against the Milwaukee Archdiocese.
Jermont Terry caught up with a woman whose case was dismissed.
He explains what's next in the ongoing saga.
Those who filed suit see this as a slap in the face. The Archdiocese doesn't see it that way. The church is insisting it plans to help, but will the help be accepted? Monica Barrett is one of 9 people who had their fraud claims thrown out by a federal judge this week.
I was greatly disappointed by her decision.
In court documents, Barrett claims when she was 8, Reverend William Effinger molested her. The lawsuit alleges the Archdiocese transferred Effinger to the other parishes before he was eventually convicted of abusing an altar boy in Sheboygan back in 1993.
I filed suit back in the 90s, and that traveled through the courts and ultimately was dismissed with all other sexual abuse claims.
While Barrett insists she was a victim, the courts and the Archdiocese have no evidence Effinger actually molested her or covered up her abuse.
There's not winners and losers.
Jerry Topchevsky with the Archdiocese empathizes with Barrett and the other plaintiffs. He says the judge's ruling in the bankruptcy case proves there wasn't a cover-up.
If people were claiming fraud and it was the first time there's no proof that we had any knowledge of the offender, then it's not fraud.
4 years ago, the Archdiocese of Milwaukee filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy. The church says the mounting claims from those abused by priests and settlements then and in the future prompted the bankruptcy.
The initial filing of claims was like 570.
He says the Archdiocese still wants to help even though the cases were dismissed.
You might not get a financial settlement, a monetary payment, but you're going to get therapy.
Therapy is something Barrett says she won't accept from the Catholic Church. She believes a monetary settlement is best.
It's not about financial gain. It's a validation to survivors that the Archdiocese is finally taking some responsibility and being held accountable.
The Archdiocese says it paid out $30 million in claims prior to its bankruptcy. It believes it has accepted responsibility for cases they are aware of. In the newsroom, Jermont Terry, today's TMJ4.